Instead of laying all your cards on the table, sprinkle the conversation with intriguing tidbits about yourself. For example, if she asks about your weekend plans, you could mention a hobby you're passionate about, but hold back the detail, like saying, "I'm heading out on another adventure with my camera. Photography really captures my imagination." This invites her to probe further. You create a dynamic interaction that keeps her eager to learn more about you. Imagine you're swapping jokes with Emma Watson, playfully teasing her about the time her last spell in Harry Potter nearly had disastrous results, turning someone into a frog. The secret to effective teasing? Always keep it lighthearted and fun. Avoid anything that might come across as rude or insensitive. It's all about creating laughter and building rapport. When executed well, teasing becomes a playful conduit to a deeper, more connected relationship. If you're on a date and the topic of hobbies comes up, start talking about your passion for mountain biking. Describe the thrill of conquering steep trails and the rush of wind against your face. Your enthusiasm is unmistakable. Your eyes sparkle and your gestures animate each tale of a challenging ride. Use this moment to inspire interest and connection. Share that guiding principle. Chase the vision, not the money. The money will end up following you. By showcasing your passion so vividly, you not only captivate her attention, but also draw her into wanting to experience these adventures with you, perhaps even joining you on a ride. This shared enthusiasm can deepen the connection, making your passion a bridge to a more profound bond. Flirting should always be respectful and attentive, highlighting your genuine interest. Take note of the small changes she makes, like a new hairstyle or the shimmer of her new earrings, and compliment them sincerely. It's not just about observing, it's about showing that you appreciate the effort she puts into her appearance. Women really value this kind of attention to detail, but don't stop there. Extend your observations to her choices, like her favorite music or books, and you'll find plenty of common ground to spark engaging, meaningful conversations. This level of attentiveness is incredibly attractive and sets the stage for a deeper connection. Attracting someone isn't just about the words you say, it's about how you engage with them. Confidence, listening, mystery, teasing, ambition, flirting, and vulnerability are your tools. Use them wisely to build authentic, lasting connections. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.